Hello everyone, I'm Ahmet Enes Keçe from Consulta Process Excellence team. Today I want to take a quick look on a sample process analysis using ARIS Process Mining with you. So we will experience together how easy it is analyze an end-to-end process with ARIS Process Mining. In this demo, I used an example dataset for a typical order-to-delivery process, which covers the activities from receiving the order to delivery of the product or service to the client. Let's start our analysis now. What companies mostly start their processes excellence journey with is process modeling. However, majority of process occurrences are not identical, which means processes don't follow the same path as we planned in real life. Thanks to the automatically explored process flows based on activity logs collected from systems by ARIS Process Mining, we can easily see what is the actual flow comparing what is planned. By default, Process Explorer shows the most common process path. In order to see all other ways the process followed, we just simply increase the variant coverage by 100% on the right. Every process has its variants, which means different paths. The more variant a process has, the less standardized it means. To see the variants of the process, we click on the variant icon in the lower right, and the variants are ordered according to the frequency of occurrence. While the steps of our first variant are as we see here. When we click on our second variant, we see that two different activities can be performed. After talking about our process and the activities carried out in general terms, we can move on to another part of the storyline. In our analysis, in which we examined the number of processes, we can see from the upper left corner that we have 5,000 processes in total. Similarly, it is possible to see our process numbers by different dimensions in the other graphics. Thanks to the dynamic structure in ARIS Process Mining, we can instantly see the effects of the filters we make. It simply combines the speed and usefulness of the BI tool and ARIS Process Analysis capabilities. Let's apply some filters together. For instance, I can easily see how many orders rejected due to quality issues by clicking on this bar. Likewise, I can see which customer category is affected most by those quality-related rejections. Now I move on to our third analysis. In this analysis, we see that the average cycle time of our 5,000 processes is about 3 days. In the same way, we can see that the average activity cycle time is about 5 hours. Let's do one more simple analysis. We can see from here that we have a 1970 process that was delivered incomplete even though the order available. Let's look at our fourth and final analysis. When we look at our table of the number of processes on the basis of carrier type from the graphics we created to analyze the missing deliveries, we can see that the most under-delivered carrier type is type 2. So, we've had a quick walkthrough on typical order-to-delivery process using ARIS Process Mining. You also can have a fast start analyzing your processes by your own data.